So here's the bananas, guys. I'll make a little chop here. All right. So Sebring and Jason are up there working on the side part. Jason is painting the rebars now. Be careful up there, bro.
Yes.
So yesterday we ordered the supplies for the finishing and for the floors. The sand is by the road, but they're gonna wait to deliver the cement until the roof is a little bit more done, so it's a little bit more protected to keep it dry in here, and then eventually start in here. All right, so here's my cutting weapons today. We got this, and then this, what I call machete. So I'm gonna try them both and see which one I like better. I'll start with this one. Ah, nice, very sharp. It actually might be easier just to pull it out. So none of this will go to waste. Jason said he's gonna feed his cow with this stuff.
Yes.
All right.
You use fish cow.
All right, cool. Check out the prickers on that one. Those are sharp. All right, we got a good little dent here. So Pabiana just walked by.
Yes. You
Jason's gonna set me up.
keep your seatbelt. Oh, your wala na.
I'll show where she puts her machete. Look at that. That's genius. It's right there, so you gotta be careful. So here's the goats we met last time. And we're gonna go find some bananas. This is a steep hill. All right, where's the safest place for you to stand? So the bananas are right there, if the sun's not in your eyes.
Here comes Dustin the machete guy. Okay na?
Up higher, higher?
Oh, higher.
Okay, okay. Wow, lots of ants. All right, here we go. I found that. Look at all these ants. Wow. I think they're biting ants too. I better make this quick. Are there any on my neck? I feel like they're biting me. They're all over. All right, here we go. I'll make this quick.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Nice! I better put this away. I like this handle. This is cool. For safekeeping. Nice, I like that. So here's the bananas, guys. I'll make a little chop here. All right. Look at that.
Wide garden of Fabiana. Muhan nito nanay. Oh, this is all Fabiana's.
Nice.
Up, down, up, up, down, up, down.
I got lunch.
Wow.
Wow. I'll put this over here, okay?
Yes.
Lagi?
Okay.
Very good.
Nice. My hands are a little sticky.
Wow. You look good in that machete.
Yeah, I should
You're
carry
like a jaguar.
And when I fly back home, I'll put this around my belt under the plane. Do you think they care?
Your name now is Jaguar Dustin.
Why Jaguar?
He lives in the forest.
Does
and-
he?
Yeah.
Is he friends with George
I don't know George.
of the jungle?
The heart of banana.
Ah.
Yeah.
Heart of banana.
Saging lang ang may puso.
Laging lang ang may puso sa Bisaya.
And is there only one puso per banana stalk?
Yes.
Only one of these. So these are from 5 different trees? Is that true? Or is there
Lima
more than
lima
one?
naka saging or usay ang saging na may duha or tulo ka
Oh.
puso no.
5 different trees.
5 different. Okay,
Yeah.
so there's only one per tree.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Cook for our lunch.
All right, sounds
Yes.
good. If your knife gets dirty and sticky, like sometimes a jackfruit, if you cut it, the jackfruit
Yes.
inside is really sticky.
Yes, yes, sticky.
If you just go on the sides, you can clean it like this.
Yes,
you
yes,
know?
yes, yeah.
And you go like this.
The
Yeah.
jackfruit is
You can go all the way in,
Oh.
and it cleans it.
clean.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's it's like a natural cleaner. You can clean your hands with it. It gets like the stickiness off of it. So the
No, but
banana has a lot of different uses too.
yes, if the jackfruit put here, you
Yeah, you just jam it in there, and
you clean.
then you clean it. Yeah. All right, so that's what the end looks like.
What are you doing? He's chopping an onion.
Whose is better? All right, so Maima's just about to start. She said it's better Jason because she's shy, but it's okay. So this is Maima, and she's gonna start making, this is barbecue pursuit?
Fried.
Fried pursuit? Okay. So we're just adding the oil first.
Sing, Mayma, sing.
Jason said the food tastes better if you sing.
Oh, katahan tadi di po kuan.
Dance.
Oh, okay.
First,
So this is similar to a lot of the dishes here when you're cooking outside. You add the oil, the garlic, the onion. That's one of like the staple ingredients. Very tasty. That mixture of garlic and onion though, it's so good when it's cooking on the oil like that. So next, that's the pursuit. That was like the heart of the banana. All right, we got some soy sauce. About half, but they're gonna tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Stop? All right.
Oh, dili mo. Yung akin. Ay lang oy kay di ka na nag-asin. Wala na. Tapang uroy, tapang man ang patiltil.
Add 2 eggs.
Pagkamuda para tiltil. Ala dali sa kahakin.
Nice.
We would surely eat it because Dustin is cooking it
You sure?
with that position.
All right, so when it's done cooked, you can say luta na.
Ana lambot ang yuta. Buhat ka dai ko sa babukan.
Jason and Mayma can cook.
Yes.
And Dustin.
If I'm told what to do. Very good.
Kapatid, saging. Malit, pasag ka.
Di, mahog ka biha.
Dito ka na ipunuan. Kuha pa dapat sa bunga.
They're talking. They said, if right now we live in the city, I think we cannot survive because everything they need to buy.
Yeah, it's nice to just be able to go outside and get it.
Even water, you can just get from the well.
Yeah. How is it, Jason?
I pass eating because of my animals. My goat is the rain come.
So,
Hey, Balodoy! You came here and to join eating. Come over here.
Hello, Doy!
You join us.
The other day, they're having karaoke over there. You can hear
Yes.
some of the songs all the way from over here.
And then in the house of Balodoy.
Bluto is singing his favorite song.
Yeah, Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi?
Bon Jovi.
So this is one of Jason's cows.
Yes, my cow. She not drink if I know touch her water
Okay.
to mix
Yeah. What's your mix?
corn.
Corn.
Tahop means
Tahop.
the
What's tahop? You guys help us out. Tahop.
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 Oh, tahop.
Okay.
Rice. If the rice.
Like make it a
keep
little
the-
softer. Or?
Yes.
Okay.
Give her skin. There are the what kind of
And you put a little acid in there, so a little bit of salt.
yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Nice.
she drink.
Wow, she drinks that so fast.
Yes.
Wow, she like sucks it up. That thing was
Yes.
all the way full. Wow.
She drink. Oh. Someday I will for sale because of our kids to
For like
studies,
education?
education.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
Yes, I will earn this to educate my daughter.
So that's what a lot of families do here in the
Yes.
province. They'll buy a cow when it's smaller, and
Then-
then as an investment, later on when it grows bigger,
Yeah.
they'll sell it.
Sell it and to use studying of children.
Nice. That's a good idea.
Yes.
That's very smart. How many cows do you have?
I have four.
Four. Very nice.
Someday there's so many.
Yeah.
Yes.
You plan to get more if
She
you
breed-
can?
She breed.
Okay.
Yes, and I will for sale for my my ambition to how to educate my daughter.
That's good, man. That's a good father. So the rest of the cows are down there. There's a littler one that we met the other day. That was up there. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many goats do you have? Two? Counting? Two?
Female goats.
2 female goats.
To breed.
And then,
To populate.
good.
Populate.
And how many piglings? Pigs?
8 pig.
8.
Yes.
All right.
8 pig. I'm not the owner of the pig.
Not owner of the pig, okay.
Yes.
But you help take care of them, and then you like split the money that you make.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's a good plan. Some people, like let's say if you live in the city or something, or you can't take care of the pigs or the animal yourself, you hire someone like Jason
Like
to
me.
take care of the pigs, and
Then-
then they split the
The-
cost or have some kind of agreement.
Yes.
That's
the
a good.
split.
That's a good plan.
If she for sale, the money that split.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
Her and me.
That's a good. That's a good
Ah.
plan.
Yes. Yes.
She wants to say hello.
Hello to our friend,
Hello.
partner.
Yeah, you're a sweetie, aren't
Good
you?
cow.
Good cow.
Cow. Nice to breed. Because
Yeah.
we're not hungry.
So if you're wondering how Jason keeps his grass short, it's because of this guy right here. You just move him around and he'll mow your grass for you, which is pretty nice. It's free food and you get to maintain your lawn. Mai's making this look good.
Yes, helping.
Very nice. So now the cement is here. Now it's protected from the rain. So we got half of the roof done. Very nice. Alright, so they're about to take off later, guys. But they got a lot of work done, a big difference. And now we got the materials here. And the hardworking ladies are in here. Very cool. See you guys tomorrow. Alright, so we're in good shape for tomorrow. And then when Bluto has time, he'll come and start doing the finishing and the floors. So very, very exciting.